Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to change the notification sound for posts from people you follow on X app. If you've been wanting to make your alerts stand out with a custom tone, this is the easiest way to do it. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have your notifications sounding just the way you like. The first thing you need to do is open your phone's main settings. This is where you can control how every app behaves on your device. Once you're inside your settings menu, scroll until you find apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. From here, locate and tap on the X app. This will take you to the app-specific settings, where everything related to notifications, storage, and permissions is neatly organized. Next, look for the option labeled Notifications. Give it a tap, and you'll now see the different notification categories that the app uses to send you alerts. This is where you'll be able to fine-tune what kind of alerts you get and how they sound. Inside this section, tap on Notification Categories. You'll notice multiple categories related to the different types of notifications you can receive from the app. The one we need is posts from people you follow. Select it, and you'll be presented with more customized options. Now tap on Sound. This is the key step. Once you select Sound, you'll be able to browse through your phone's available tones, system sounds, or even custom notification tones you may have downloaded. Pick the one that best fits your style or mood. After choosing your new notification sound, simply go back, and your selection will be automatically saved. From now on, whenever someone you follow on X app posts, you'll hear your chosen tone instead of the default one. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully personalized your notifications to make sure the alerts from people you care about never get lost in the noise. If you found this helpful, try it out yourself right now and give your phone a sound that makes your notifications stand out.